Dubai is probably one of the most well-known attractions of the modern world. The entire city is like an immense playground of gorgeous skyscrapers, extravagant lifestyle, and some of the most high-end shopping centers this world has ever seen. But that's not all, as Dubai is also a place where you can find some of the most expensive and lavish hotels in the world. Burj Al Arab is probably the name that rings a bell in everyone's ears. It's the world's first hotel to hit 7 stars and has been voted countless times as the most luxurious hotel in the world. Burj Al Arab, with rooms pegged at $10,890 per night. Atlantis the Palm comes with a lovely twist. It's a themed hotel which followed the story of the lost city of Atlantis and has a gorgeous aquarium that is home to 65,000 marine animals as its main feature. Atlantis the Palm is at $17,151 per night. Jumeirah Al Naseem, the hotel comes with an impressive interior design greatly inspired by the sand dunes and sea breeze surrounding Dubai and by the city's amazing heritage of pearl diving and bedroom tradition. The 387 rooms, 43 suites, and 50 world-class restaurants and bars of the Jumeirah Al Naseem are no less than impressive at all levels. The guests can only enjoy beautiful views of lush gardens and sandy beach on the terraces outside and get plenty of fun in the wild, water park.